thank you very much anonto bwako dura nyomba ya Nteto Meru TV anonto bakunu todete nyomba Nteto irairi na igweta kathetuneka Amiro na karibu okaire kire mubango jwan kathe ya nopeo na ratwitete na mbere kumureka tisia sakisha mugongo jwa Amiro ende inya odina mbere kana witi na mbere maendeleo mashinani ene atia kure ranire na batu gukirukira mitandao ya kinande Facebook to live Facebook at Meru TV Kenya, YouTube at Meru TV Kenya na narua turi na bwana SG bwana Franklin Mweti Karote Junior ora ni Secretary General kana mwandiki munene wa kiama kia nopeo bunipeta wakabwe mudharimi. Karibu sana bwana SG kire nyomba ya Nteto Meru TV na ugitutethia kuthuya mwerekera jwa mugongo mbere kethia Meru.
Ndiguru yetu ya Kenya kana arakunde bari ndibere bokethwo ni SG wa kiama kia nopeo ndene ya Mount Kenya East na ndibere karibuni sana nikenda tukomba kwithwa tukiaraniria na kumenyithia mantu yara yatwegie turi antu ba Meru na kinya turi a Kenya.
Na bwana SG, thank you very much nontobokwea indi kila mtu asiasa bonde buonga musiasa na kwenda kwaraniri na ndikiba Nteto aibera mantu yegie wamba bwandithia ntereira cia nyambene rwa munya inyake na ultimatum kiumia kimwe kiri thirikari ni bibi kuendelea monene.
Thank you very much. Bombere kambwe wamba bwandithia ti tuntu bwanjiriritie narua bwana mutharimi kinya ndi primary school ng'ombe no chiyawa na wimbumite Gembe North antu betu ibakulugirite kanya ka komu kuma mwakene ya 2023 na mantu yarambonete ni kuma mimbi ndi mtu munini mwanka kaitene kanda kinya ndi primary school indona ng'ombe ikirutwa lower side ikaretwa the upper side. Actually serikta wa seniors Viro Primary School na ange my uncle athamire bakarita ng'ombe kwao bakareta kwetu kureru na because wamba ba ng'ombe bwari bwingia mno but untu bwibwendelete na ibwithirito buri for some time endre wamba boba ng'ombe kabuti batero tumika as a political tool because barabonde bakwaria barabonde bakurita speech na barabonde bakwariria mantu ya wamba ng'ombe na bakona ni how the government has failed kana leadership ireri kubure wite kaitene ka kwina wamba ng'ombe they were there also ibare atongeria ng'ombe iti yawe itareo antu iborwawa itareo. So what we are saying as people of Nyambene na kinyanto babori because kinyabori ng'ombe ni kuiywa bila video in both the elected leaders both barabara ki opposition barabara take opposition by the independent tuinde tore antu ba Meru tu yamwe tora ni atire ntaira ya ontubore nimbi lakini mtu mate batero chiete no esuja kana no wije korwa na wamba ba ng'ombe kana no wamba kuthiria wamba ba ng'ombe ukaguthwa kuru chiete ke no wamba kuthiria wamba ba ng'ombe then akithathiririe the former governor aweja nite at matter ya 10 days na ari muyumbe wa Tigania East for 10 years as the MP of Tigania East for 10 years ni mikakati iri kwekere ndene ya Tigania East kenda antu ba Tigania East kutuika batekoro iyo milele kana kutuika kire ari MP for 10 years utimu totiane wa totoro Ute muntu otiania Waiyuru ng'ombe ciawe for 10 years ri ari MP. Secondly, naithiritwe governor wa Meru miaka 5 na chairman of the Council of Governors 5 years. Eitariu ari na ndreke Council of Governors ametumaira burako wenda newe. Eitariu kutaiyawa, eitariu kutari na wamba po ng'ombe. I remember very well that year kwarina so much cases ndene ya Igembe North ari governor wa Meru. Ni untuburi kwa thithiri bo mana ilandi makiri kwa emba kwa na atire era tomba kwa atire tigania east Bore tigania west Igembe North and Igembe Central no ntoba manto ya thithirwe ni uwo kwa ya na mata mia 10 days ati narua ng'ombe itekuiwa. The other day 2022 I minister wa agriculture bejere mwero nkoro na the late prime minister Raila Amolo Odinga na friend Matiang'i para land na ndekekuo bejete mathikwene yanto mwanja ntuko imwe babo onde bora inimbi bandit. So for heaven's sake tutibatere kutumira manto ya ndithi chietu wamba po ng'ombe chietu ku politicize kana kuura barabara itene. It is a collective responsibility ya mwananchi wende wa Meru kuona ati batu itukuiywa. It is the high time we come together, develop a mechanism ya nate tukarwa na wamba bobo andithia ende kuroma kilengwene ukawa miaka 10 utebi kuendelea Meru kan kwendro choka Meru kenda mbendelethia. To be frank, a Meru betu muntu akethwa na thirikari-ini miaka 10 ya MP, miaka 5 ya governor, miaka 5 ya CS na ariwa miaka 10 utebi endelea Meru. Kile miaka 10 still you are in the government. No minister wa agriculture tonyi mbibi byongwa wa thithirie ore minister wa agriculture kenda we ya wira mu Meru atiri mu Meru oni kambe yite kurita ngwe era bone ndathanu nationally ndrathithe manto ya kuriaria Meru inkwenda bo consider for that reason. So what I would like to say, we have a new generation, we have a new crop, we have a new crop of leaders, we have some other upcoming leaders pombo tongeria nkurugi ginye baraba twiro tongeria. So manto ya mwe bana Mutharimi they beat logic. 20 years MP miaka 10 governor miaka 5 na wene teke nene nyake ngeke with Council of Governors na CS miaka 5 miaka 20 and then yore ukiwa tu na governor Bonoko na governor mwaka yomwe 365 days woyeta ka inheriti thirikari na thina, thirikari na marandro na pending bills, thirikari na aritingwe barari bae kuthangalana within 1 year ugeyo kaua ukanjire weta for heaven's sake ukanjire mweta Bonoko na wo served for 20 years kanya Meru batero karande na bori surely miaka 20 years na mwaka. Can you compare 20 years and 1 year?
You are feeling ni ate Peter Gatiro munyaga utumira mpaka ya wamba wa ndithia antereshe nyambene riritha garege siasa itare ya Meru yare na thina uramona ntuko imwa yete our Meru we are sinking. Meru ne tete on a wrong direction inkoromba tuchoganirie lakini thayamba borowa thai naona kinya the people who are in the government are speaking. Reverend Monde is coming, God's blessing, that woni raumba. Wamba na for the last 20 years, wamba bongombe no butuire kwa. Na inya mbunge wa Tigania East na Remutongeria wa kiama kia Nopeo, augite na nde biara ibi kome mwanka mpanga ethire ikia dealt with na kiaria CS Kipchumba Murkomen augite operators forwarded ni batumi groundine gutigira ni bakorwa na gukandana mpanga ya wamba bwa ndethia.
Bwana Mutharimi, I want to say this. Mantu ya wamba bongombe tuteta mantu ya either 2 term ka 1 term. Kire wamba bongombe bo. It is either baba 1 term na 2 term bonde be yamwe tu ya tiri. Let consolidate our resources. Iturete into vietu amwe. Lakini kuwa baraba tuere kithakene, baraba tuere ba mami toro, baoke ruo wamba bongombe, it is very wrong. Let you some you ina score kandi manto yangi, lakini te ya wamba bongombe. Yani manto ya tuere ya manto ya tuere kuthithika. And what we are saying, all of us, we are speaking in one language. Toriwa tere ngombe chetu ile itwere kuiywa kuma tene. One thing that we need, compensation. Okay, akwetho ngombe chetu ichiyirwe iraeta Samburu, iraeta Turukana, iraeta na Marsabit chiaura chionde. If the operation ire kuthithwa itirikaba ngombe chetu, what we are saying, government yena mbecha antu betu ibathinite. Okay, akwetho antu ibaweta bakandamana Nairobi baka luti nduka chiantu antu ibakwanandamana Nairobi baka thithia mantu yaba thithia bakora na kwa atuika one of the key thing kire 10 point agenda ira thirikari kwa ririsia broad based ne ati bae compensated. What we are saying is this: antu betu utebandamanite ngombe chikiyo, antu betu uteo mumeru areta kuorwa na kia ngombe. What we are saying, and we are not pleading, it is our right. Right yetu tore antu ba meru ukarwithirikari. Right yetu tore antu ba meru, the constitution state very clearly that it is the responsibility of the government to protect its people and their property. So what we are saying, we are not pleading to take werenza thirikari, to teo miromba, katokuwa it is their responsibility. Utokaria na utokariri into vietu. So, about the part linda kuwa chiara ibi na mi, what we are saying, one, operation, ngombe chietu, chionde ichokwe. Number 2, compensation. Ya ngombe iri kaura iri kuonekana. Ira chionde chiande kichiurite, chia compensated. Number 3, antubara bonde boro hii, in the line of duty. Kana mtu akareti into via we yoro wa compensation. Number 4, family ira chionde itine antuba anabo bate chukuru. Anabo iba kuthoma ndube thoma na thina. We are saying government of Kenya idhome dhiana ba. 5, our rangers, NPR, parabeki kithakene, kenda baumba gutethia ukabira ngombe ichietu turiwa atiri iba remunerated very well. Iba iterwe SHA, iba insured. Kenda mtu aita muitho ene areta motivated. Those are the few things.
Sure.
Tumandu toka itola tokore thirikari thithia.
Indi kiuri kia bata gia tuika atiri ni kwari na rwari ruro compensation amantu na yangi o county ya Meru yegie arimi bara miunda yao ya totirwe ninge bamwe baita utoro bwao nontu bonkujenyo gatigate kanyumo na antu inyantereira cia embe barabara yakwe na national park. Rais wengwa aya awambesha fulani ciotengwa na ikwa released nontu bwa compensation ya ntuba na bo baura ini nyumo na batao na mbesha nitia mondale tiriko ya tumirwa gutira arevi ni bakona mbesha tutiko nande report cio kinyira nyumba cia nteto ati mbeshi cia lokerwe yabura cia lokerwe kiribara endo bauragi ninjogu na itaba kinyira nitia isha kinyira arevi kenda na bo baitira bakiona a bit of justice.
Bana Mutharimi manto yonde ni ku amplify our voices. We won't keep quiet. To take Kirwa, we won't be silenced by anybody. kinyaba kira bonde kwa ibara batekira. We will amplify the voice. Atiri, this is too much. Antobeto bakudina. Our poverty index irete oro na rate inda yamono because intobieto na rate chieto iweta. Everybody has spoken, both the opposition and the people in the government. The only thing that we are going to do to make sure to kuyukana bwana Mudharimi, it is to amplify our voice. We are not keeping quite soon to take it anadua tukiendelea kuwa compensation anywhere wala tukaitanera na antuba toitanera na bodho kwene compensation toitanera abo mochemanie ne yo other compensation wo ala toitanera abo kansene compensation utem tuenda kulia na antube na thina no ureko na antube to bora baketha bena thina no bo batumika boboi na ndi tutekwendra eitera campaign antube to kutuika people have become so poor antuba utuika maskin pio na ndi bero right bero left left no tutekwenda kwa nkombo turenda tuchokeru into bietu tuimenyere na into bietu going forward utegwarira romerwe. That is it.
Na county boss ni mutumanto ithingia inde DMK kiogora ariwa utemwanya yoa nto ithingia na kawira mwangaza bonde bakundaira kaone kamwe.
I tend to disagree bana Mudharimi. Antobabe luwa compare ni dio mwari wa na yumano tuko na muthenya. One, to my brother, I respect him so much because neither twai ki ndroe ya kuona Meru nitite bwega. Now that he an ambition chiawe chia utuika maybe the running mate wa former governor na batero churi atiri kwi mwanya kuona na Arua 2026 na 2022 kana 2023 last time ateke vivia barabara kwa wewe ngwa last time ateke ya wandi fund antaniongwe kwawe baba ke ditangwe kwawe na wandi fund I want and mean na sub county and mean and one were very powerful such that MCA taking uthia kwawe ka ko lobo ke rairo muntu agerwo nwe acting no kalitangwe kwawe na Arua barari no uru bakwithithirie barabara cio bongwa kuchiurira pipe bongwa na kuthithi everything with the award fund batekwa supervised by anybody. The other regime utekethie buo kakolo the other regime ari mubaisi ndi batwire kurira scheme of service maisha yoyo onde kuma mwaka ya 2017 and not 2017 kuma devolution iranjiria 2013 batura buo 2017 2022 mwaka the other day His Excellency ya abadetera ababwithire brabendra na Arua bena scheme of service mwari morora ya wang beche ite mutethia na Arua no ye loan akaitethia na maisha yao ya etaboya kolo imantu yau na just ntuko imwe sibitari chionde itatora itena ndawa tunde as we are talking sibitari chiena ndawa aritingwe bara atora akurira throughout mishara yoni chereri induction chio itea submitted kere institution kana kere banks na rapo yete marandu itea submitted kere other boundaries inyache sibitari na ambira sio batethia kuona matibabu na Arua and revenue batari na insurance yo bakaba ba achua na ndere. Can you compare the field regime where arikuo na this regime where arikuo a time like now mwaka yomoyo thiri bodhoranĩtie mbeca milioni mana ya 9 and I don't know 4 or 5 for something today as we are talking na mweri yo 6 yote kinyi governor na antu bawe ba revenue na Ministry of Finance bodhoranite 6 or 4 million.
Na indi bwana SG akiaria waziri wa ugima Dennis Mugambi wengo no ekire kirore au nande ni mabura ikwarua na riboti ire kinyirite nyomba cia nteto ati ajiba thatu ba mama itandene kimwe level 5 Meru Hospital yu yamwe yeyera waziri wengo akuga nima indi akawa tukagiriria tukathithia
some mistakes bwana Mutharimi itiomba kwa I would like to say kuri injustices kana kwi mantu yamo yatiomba kuthithu overnight kutuiko kweya ukwalula mantu orimo na wona mantu yetete boya ibo onto tukwa for continuity kana kenda mantu yaita boyega let's give our leaders time baritenguira bakorita itara politics ya kinya toeta kuringa siasa. So like in Meru level 5 you see everybody Meru level 5 intoviranto baya beto batichi baba inge muntu arima Marisabit akeya Meru level 5 muntu arima Isiolo akeya muntu akauma Mandera akeya muntu ore mwankene yo athara kanithi katithine ya anto aita chuka akeya muntu ore mwankene yo etu yo Isiolo akeya. So this hospital ne constrain so much and the resources are few. No kwana. When I'm speaking like that bwana Mutharimi woni ntemo andiko thirikari. I am a friend of this government. I am a friend of His Excellency the Governor. I am not tena information, tena detailed information ya mantu yara thirikari ikuthithia. But as a friend, as a spectator, as a fan, oro kuringa mpe kuraya ai mwira twete chiumie, I can say for heaven's sake His Excellency na ntubawe they are trying as much as possible to see Meru ekuma na arera ari kithakene
na bwana SG bitigiria nkuria gintu kingi amukithirite gitumika kiri ndauga ithagare gi siasa muno county ya Meru kuma 2013 various regimes na various politicians ibaithirite bakiuga na ndi batu tukuya ibatu tukaithira tukiagirithia mantu yegie thoko ya miraa some leaders baronga mainya Maua Stadium wanda eka Biblia ande nkaithira nkikandana na makatel indi narua governor Mutumanto Ethingia anashamanire na bisa kuma AFA ni Agriculture and Food Authority na mafisa kuma KEPHIS Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service akiuga ni kwariria mantu yeige kwagirithia thoko ya miraa ntere cia Somali akiuga ningi governing council ya mantu yeige security ni kuringa morashi mitaratara ya thoko ya miraa.
Thank you bwana Mutharimi. Miraa yetu ititwire na thina. Miraa yetu ni itwire na mbecha mwaka ya 2012 na ara 2011 kuchoka nyuma na antu wa miraa barari tonga bite ya kuonwa. And I want to say this, inkwenda murimi o miraa confirm miraa yetu itikiri thina ni antu bangi ikiri thina ni our own people twingwa antu betu ibo batumite batu tuona mathina bombere betikire muchumari operate miraa mwanka ukuma kilaene mundrene kwatwiga no wita kolele miraa ya batere kura na ya te batere kura. That is one mistake ira nene to thithirie turi antu ba Meru iwitikiria muri. Let me say this, kwe mtu uma mawa aeta kibirechia kwenje ikwachi na kona ikwachi vyake njero na hata bikari kwe mtu uma mawa aeta kibirechia kona kabenji ya tuero isa muthemporiku kwe mtu uma eta nkandro awandrenda kwenjora karati gariyo na yi gariyo. There is nothing like that. Batu twengwa thinera twenyo era nene piu bombere torurire mtu au kuma amenya miunda yetu amenya mira yetu amenya grade 1 amenya 2 amenya 3 and that is one of the greatest mistake ire thithigire ke sector mira na mistake ye neo county assembly Meru na his excellence bareragia o correct kenda bathithia mira bill ire ku restrict mori kuma town aita mrene arie town akethero imuremi amretera mira town yakaurira kuo. That is one of the ontobora kuthithika kenda tutethie murimi mira boyele nationally batwi itera former minister 2013 2017 2022 itwarea minister of kilimo itariu itobati kutethuka piu ende itariu niro mira yonere thina site irio kateo ciingire irio mbia cianjirie kwayanirwo na Nairobi cia mira and these people knows very well baba I ministry nea Ministry of Agriculture o ati athithia kateos then lentore ake ya ethira katero cia ire established na ire au cia mira so thina yetu ira nene na bira bio torea bwambere antu beto betero obisine ara beta bamenya mireri mbecha bakoliundri na antu botongera kotwiga mbecha ira cio tukinyela kai kaya no mbere nara
Bwana SG baba
au yo thine to emira ya umire
Bwana SG no uwa koludire
te baba ko yo twira o baba ko yagwa Meru miage ko miotebie yona
urarire munyana lintore
of course thina cia mira cionde cianjiririe munya minister cionde kuma ngambulumba ndi ngambi thina cietu cionde cianjiririe minister o agriculture na mumeru na muyembe uronthigirite na murimi mira na confirm whether it is true or false Uhuru na atwere 1 billion ria mbere achoka ya nengi inachi aitire billion icio iri cha gutethia murimi mira ora wonete thina. Am I lying? Am I speaking the truth or I'm lying? Uria muntu ura umite embe igembe south igembe north igembe central ibandike message yau bawe kithaa tutae imbecha no Uhuru na hata cia manager na hata cia karire
aranire na batu ukirukira mutandao yake na Facebook @Meru TV Kenya, YouTube @Meru TV Kenya. Kithirio ukujunga na batu mubango jo ni ngathi ya nopeo tukimurika siasa ningi maendeleo ya county ya Meru na bwana SG mawirani ya ikikathomba ni thirikari county ya Meru ikaingia kana ni ngutonderi itine kinyiro eturete na mbura atwetere mwanka Jesu achoke.
I have no problem with the promises ire chieki bwana Mutharimi bila bileo muntu athithagia ke class 8 akathithagia form 4 agerike class 8 kitemaga iro class 7 agerike form 4 kitemaga iro form 3 what there is the promises are being given. Batu turea Meru imetho aki metho mbonera matonthikĩria tukinye mwaka ya 2027 then tukamark tukauga atĩrĩ no twĩre ni thimburinji ikabwithwa ikubwithe kana etibwithi yetherwe bwithitwe twigire tiki 17 kilometers within municipality turerwe kabwithwe yethwa ni bwithi twigire tiki mutuate kaelo ka mugonji road ekathilekilwa yethwa ni thiri twigire tiki barabara angarubiri angaku endre tutena thina batu utethine ryo bu muntu naye we metho kanguria rinya imbianto bagoria barumanirite mitandao ene bachumburanite na antu for no reason amuntu metho na ritire manifesto wara wa akathithio na akathithia no wege thao you are a wise student andika mantu kuandika 2027 mweri yue thatu yue na mweri yue tano bwana Mutharimi will be here telling people the truth twerero kena igeyere ka giteyere mumeru atwira ye kanari twegira tiki kana twegira x wow twethoi tukinyite 60% tuwe thirikari ni kulugite wapati wengine 50 ibaeretie wapati 40 and below tubere no peu
na ndi tukigarukira mantu ya kiothe kia 2027 kiama kia no peu nigitite na mbere kuibangania nibonete misafara guntu ti kaunti ya Meru ake ende inyantere cia tharakanithi na ingi kibangwa guntu kungi na miario ya party leader ore Mprabori ni ate kiama ke gikethira gikirungika aruirite mwanya kuma kia ngavana senator, women rep, bunge ninge ma MCA mutuma twethingia kare maguru mungamana kia make bukaithia bwe murongamirie muntu
mate mutuma age kurombete kia ngavana Meru bakuromba babaingi na ubatere kuhuria antu bakuromba iti bare akuya no peu twa bakura ibonde me utika utasingwa utuma ake what we are saying
tiga ko single out inde murungamo ni ate
the party position
ite kiangavada mwanka
the party position is bado tukarungika MCA 45 na Tharaka-Nithi 15 na Embu na Isiolo tutasimamisha. Meru tukarungika MP kenda na women rep umwe na ngavana umwe itike tutikungurungika muntu ni itike president ake na inyake ituwire no turungike. So but as for now we have declared that no peu party ikarungika kuma MCA mwanka ngavana. So kiure kiu inyote batero kiure ringi maisha dio kimenya atiri no peu yekira kuma MCA mwanka ngavana. Now rende but we are popularizing the party. Now as we popularize the party itowetani na candidate betu baitibia MCA MP Inyoro wenda senator women rep doors are opened miari edwori buru pio oro kwenda kuromana kama kana peu milango imefunguliwa na bado tu ina machinery ekutangui
tika bwana SG nko sing out ngavana mutumanto edingia ni ati anaugite na yite indi atauga na yite na kiama kiriko. The assumption is akethira kirungama na UDA, that's an assumption. Indi kuna barabangi bakwenda kurwera ni barikitie ku declare their position.
There is no problem ngavana yo na ntuko itira thengera, we have time, we have no problem. As we go forward together to ariene. So bado tena thina, we are not pressurizing the governor to mwekira pressure tu bitu kwa ngavana ikanya kakuritira mu Meru ngui na toi mu support 100% batu tutena ando noe na achiumia ritire mu Meru ngui. Then talking 2027 is a wise man akathi the decision yewe kuringana na bora hakuona ground ikari na bora kuri. So anta bakolelia mutuma ba mona maybe I green in politics. When time comes is a wise man.
Sure.
Aka make decision ye bora ba tere kuthithie wengwa. Yes.
Na okare maikwa kire setup ya tuwe military okare maikwa general akearia auto lieutenants bawe. I'm saying this kuga Samson Cherargei senator wa Nandi augire kwibia mabira bikuunga mkono thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ilazima bibunjwe bithire bigitonya kenda bithire bikiona stake kiri national cake kiri thirikari ya William Ruto kethira igitikirwa ni Kenya 2027
ibirabia na ako auaira
kiama keno
bibia na ako mashika anga kwa chama cha mashinani kia Ruto kwa Kiambuskei wabia mabirabia na uko ibi bakuera na biu bingi byantu ubangi ende gege eto gituno ki no peu will remain as an independent party no rogenda twetanie noi The reason why we are saying Nopeo will remain as an independent party, Bwana Mutharimi, County Assembly Meru, itawa ni vyama vyonthe. Kwina Jubilee kuo, kwina Nopeo, kwina PNU, kwina Mbas, kwina kirego gira kingi giguo, kwina independent. Kora Assembly Meru ya ivyama vyonthe. So ambire Cherengei yu twe Nopeo party, we have not declared war with the government. Tutaronyo. We have not. Katuite for now. Fiara viria o. Pito tamburo kwa boya nonto. Pa manto ya kuendelea. Kwethia o batwe tutogeria kamwe. Batwe twala twina mi for now. What we are saying, kiama kia Nopeo will remain as an independent party. They are found candidate all over. Kinya Rift Valley, to aba muntia kuo. Kinya Nairobi, any mbondoro kwenda kiama. Kitu mwa stress. Nopeo is the party. To abekira. Reason being, ndenda momero wende na muntu wende lewe. The bargaining power ya any community. Ikiama kio kirabe na kio nantu barabatara. Wiper, the bargaining power ni Wiper yo na tongerie bo ODM. Kila watu wanasema let's solidify our base kaenda tuomba wita methene kwa aria. DCP ne mwiko ne declare bo batena ngwena thirikari. Bas ne terembu ne declare tena ngwena thirikari ere kuo. PNU ne declare tena ngwena thirikari ere kuo. Jubilee no kumenya nena, DCP nena. So kiama kira kire Meru kira kwa therike erorome emoyete mawanthe ngene imerachua kiama kira kire Meru kweria ko ogari mutano weto kuma naitia Professor Kithure Kindiki ikiama kia Nopeo bibi inge beyond bikona athirwa politically aka crushed once and for all crash politically. But we, as the Nopeo party, turiwatiri, therike moe tuela wande, egene merachua. And that, the reason why we are saying that, mbuira turawire. Okay, akoda tutari na deputy president, okuiwa Kemeru, na akari Kemeru, towa ambu, ne, ya na respondi, ya arankovo, katuete rete, action. Action yoto ete rete. But in terms of lobbying and pushing for resources, Itoyera Jerei is doing very well. Anabeto, Barabarubisi newe, Totongeretunde protocol, Kimath Gideon. And a number of them is making us proud. Kweviku yantorere, Abakimati, Kweviku yantorere, Kweviku yantorere, Druwe. Okay, I will take a twin noe to take that, okay. Tukiona irangari cha thirikari na every day na ndira bakuya na economy yetu no ewita atia ne witia so batu turiwatiri therike kanywa erorome mo yetu ela wanthe ngine merachua ibo onto Nopeo party we are here the only party in Mount Kenya East yonkake no you support our brother and our son Professor Kithure Kindiki. Sure. That's why I'm saying we are not fools to tira Meru PNU, Mbas, Jubilee, DCP, kutuka byama bira byomba ko byo yoria ibyama byo opposition yake batwe we have no stake in the county assembly of Meru. That's why we are pushing day and night popularizing our candidate. To kuma nyumba kwa nyumba mwari kwa mwari tukiariria candidate beto and that one is happening.
Sure. And Nopeo pushing and pushing inya Embu, our Embu Tharaka Nithi,
Isiolo, Laikipia.
Isiolo na Laikipia, na that's largely perceived ere Mount Kenya East, na area nande no kumia 2027 bauga kiothige siasa, it's a game of numbers. Kienda ko preserve geteke kia monini o rais lazima kwethera kuri na proof of numbers irashire iguru ya metha, na nkura kiatire bwana SG kuni kuwa yabora ugire ati parties nisho itethakia a community kwethera ikilobe for a share of the national cake. Kuni kuwa DP Kindiki aritonya kiri kiuthige siasa na kiama kenobeo.
We are not saying batu tutete kulobira Professor Kithure Kindiki. We are lobbying for our community as an Opeu party, and we are lobbying for our followers as an Opeu party. So Professor na kiama kiawe kia undra kwa huu wapambane huko juu bado tuinangira undi tumukariti na kiama ketu kia Opeu, and our bargaining power ya antu betu baraba ikono
KUNDA tiki Ameru
peke Ameru, lakini iko a deputy party leader. He is the deputy party leader of the UNDA. Bado tuina kiama ketu kia Opeu atoba support katobonge lainya ke kutuika Mount Kenya East yonde bia mabira bionde bieko ibira biko na Professor bado to wakeke to ageri yake mwegere tako keke no peu inde bado to ya to mwegere tako ateka wethwe ibibi nge bionde. So we are here to support him 100%, and we in this government because of him. Bado ni agalatida ndato mustari yo kendra komito ko yuria abara bata mithome boya agalatitha nthatu mustari yo inyanya kendra 10 yu atire boka noe nini kuthithia mantu ya mea tondu bware akugirika bwagetha na itiare kaua tuthithairie ni antu bonthe mantu ya mea ende nkuruki bara beba muru yetu to bathithirie boya nkuruki ni agalatitha nthatu tukuyuria uyu muru yetu uyu gwari Kimeru ketu uyu athue aunangwe aita akithua uongo with him, aita akaria saporano era bakwa ne akwaria uongo with him. That is the only thing. No, and because he is our son na uchumi na utoruira, but the only thing irerete yekira siasa siawe kasoro ndene mirui iwamba na ura ibwanto betu ake akuthiria wamba ba ng'ombe antu babetu bakura bakareka kura wa barabara icio ndei promise ko no wekirwa thoko ikabwitho kubwithwa mantu yayo ndhe yakendelea yara ya bangi na mira yetu ikona mbecha. I am telling you the truth, who campaign for him seriously that zo mwigira condition. He is our son aritete ngwe ombanete na ate ombanete agalatitha ndatu mustari yo egomi no mwanga yorite ngwe tuthithairie ni antu bonde mantu ya meya ende nkuruki barabeba muru yetu to bathithirie boya nkuruki Kindiki is our son no muru yetu no mwanga tumugarie ute unge baba ange ukona bakiaria kabata thoma agalatitha ndatu bathome bamenye atiri ibareke arugitho antu ibareke arugitho rwa nkoma na wita kirachi kia rugitho mbere wa murogi. Yes.
Na twaririe mbeo mbithi Youth League kire kiama kia Opeu.
Yes.
Baba ingi vijana barua tuko kadi kana niko kadi na mostly baba ingi baitonyete kire ngurumanio kireite bia MCA mostly space na kanya ka muyuthi kire kiama ke na mitaratara ya kubokeria bana bo mbeo mpolo kenda nabo bokira through the ranks kire kiama itona kire USA inya mbere Barack Obama a rais ukirukira Democratic Party ambiririe na senator aite through the ranks ya kiama kira nwe ethira kia rais wa the United States of America. Mibango yeye mbeo imbithe
kiama ketu kia Opeu generally kitongeretu wana youth peke yake. The only own people in our party baraba ina tumeaga tu mbere ani party leader ni mutongeri wa ekuru Catherine Kanake ni deputy owe Betty, she is also young, and the youth leader wa kiama ketu kia Opeu wa Suset is a aspiring to be MCA wa Atheru Rujine. Where ya Ruire, we have a young man, Manua Iromba, na kiama kia Nopeu. Weta Kibiricha, MC Happiness, Iromba na kiama kia Nopeu. Weta Nyankia Frankie Kameme, very young, kiama kia Nopeu. Wea kurerwa Auselio Kaimeni, ako pale. Hata yeye ni chama ya Nopeu. Wea ya municipality, hapa Nopeu, very young. Wea ta Mekinduri. Orogo ki compete na Kaimbo Ikeana Gireto Keana very young. Weta Kanuni very young. Weta Maua very young. All our candidates very young. Secondly, the constituency leadership very young. Then youth when Itebia constituency the coordinators where yakere women league kuina very young ladies there. So kiama ketu kia Nopeu, weta national chairman wetu kiama kia Nopeu ni kijana wa miaka 35, 36. So baatu kiama kia Nopeu kina room ewana youth. Na hivyo ntoto kuatiri Nopeu ya kuluka nomination. Ira chionde ikadhana nua, I am telling you the truth as the party secretary. Mount Kenya East nomination chia Nopeu chionde kanengera wana youth. Utethera mtu miaka 40, utethera mtu miaka 37, 38. But ibakile the other side. The 35 and below, those are the people that we are going to nominate in the Nopeu party. Get it and get it from me. That is our resolve, and our party leader is very candid about this. Buru Pio.
Na kwena party position kuhusu vijana kutumika by guns. Gunisi mitome anete gonto. Mbeombele baki kama tetome vimbo. Agwita kunangana.
Our party does not participate in such completely. Kinyari turari Daraka, we were there. Norone mechamani yetu irana. We didn't hire people to come in our meeting. We didn't. Na patwe alama yetu tupande ngazi pamoja. That is what we are doing. Our clarion call tupande ngazi pamoja. But we are going as a team from down tukipanda juu.
Sure. So na tukimilekelia non tukuweta tupande ngazi pamoja. From chini tutoke hapa bottom. Twende hapa juu. Hapa bottom up. Dirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Ningetie Kyoto kia Asula no 2022 toeri ya tokethira togitia nkathe tume bottom twende hapo juu akenya bawitie kana nikirero na gukaya
mea kiama kia UDA kia yire nyume kiama kia Nopeu actually bayire slogan ichi yetu bado tupande ngazi pamoja. This party Nopeu is older than UDA, so patwe our slogan ni kulita mwananchi from down to 80 euro. That is our slogan, na yoba boyere slogan yetu. And I think manto yeu yake amakia UDA wita candidate yo UDA omori manto
ari the economy ya Kenya
obete ba ubori how is that faring manto ya bottom up oni tokari manto ya tupande ya bottom up wita anto ba obete ko inanto ba inge muno ba kya makiu ba economy kuina chairman kuina senator kuina women rep kuina MP batatu not batatu bana ba tupande ngazi ba bottom up
so bwana SG
host them bori manto ya
so bwana SG
yes.
Yari moni yaku yeye mwerekera muongo yo Kenya how are we faring economically?
I hear the economy has healed. We were there was no coffers. Chionde chiari chi kuita na as we are talking to Rirwa, the economy has stabilized. Ibo ntoko ina mbecha cha kuthithia barabara mau roads korea marando nambi so bwana mutharimi mwari chionde atema tuko katoetere 2027 yete kuraya tukea na karamu tukemaka point by point.
Sure. na nontu bwa our time mwerekerie mbira mundo umetupa kisogo inde tutiumaruka uturutite ugambi bwaku bwa muthia igi mwerekera yo mugongo yo Amiru ninge inyanthigoro ya Kenya.
Thank you very much Mutharimi. Windenda kwira mumiru wetu wethe arari kaite na kati kanya kandro kaite kati kanya ka name calling kaite na kane ka mumiru kuyamwe twitwinde twari na sauti imwe turiri mantu yara ya utu affect ntaira na tone ichoki kya mantu yara ya kuinya antu ba miru na baraba ku thoania maybe ni one way or the other bakatumira mantu ya wamba bongombe kuchiuki politically. I want to condemn that act. Na mbira antu ibare ko celebrate when our people are suffering. Waibwa ngombe iwita stop celebrating. Waibwa mtu okwa reko celebrate. Nonto utefainda kiri uwe endera antu beto bakuthirwa na endera antu beto bokwa na endera into beto biwita. So it is very important. Ukia kutha we na umbi na we na ume na we no menyo. Waura tomba kuthiria wamba ngombe. Kindly as a patriot participate kire kuthiria wamba buba ngombe, and by doing that kinya murungu yako tharimira njirene inge na manto ina yange. So nkera Amiru barare boega twite na mbere na kurombera family ira itine nrobo na baraba urari tube masibitari twite na mbere no barombera murungu abaorie na turombere kinya wanajeshi betu na barabo bonde baratumirwe kire operation area tubarombere nigenda kinya tutigethwe twina other casualties kuma kire mantu ya uya wamba ngombe. God bless you. Podero bueno tukububwega tuonane wakati mwingine.
Thank you very much bana SG tukogari na bana SG Franklin Mwiti Karote Junior ore mwana kimunene kiri kiama kia nopeu ki to tariria yegie mwerekera jo mugongo ningi kiuthige siasa 2027 tugitegera kuibangania kwa kiama kia nopeu ningi ijaraja tukitegera ndagia nkoje kadetune Amiru wamba bwandithia ningi mpangaratano kiri urimi na thoko ya kimira kia mira na yange kathomba tukuri live mwerekere mbira tukuri live kire mutandao jwa YouTube ni bwega nontu bawe witite na mbere kututhingataira ukiwatch live gukirukira thimwe ku kana your smart TV ingode gitarerega unimbita wakabwe Mutharimi.